Friends who joined us here on stage once again. Tatanungin natin mga pangalan at ang mga partner ko. So, Ricky and partner, and what's your name again?
Den.
And of course, syempre, John B. and Anne.
Anne-Marie.
Yes, and of course, syempre, Alan and Mark. Nico and
Kebs.
Hey, Michael.
And of course, syempre, si
Michael.
Ape. And of course,
Michael.
Yeah, this time, mag-bibigyan tayo sa kanilang very special treat, of course. Bibigyan natin sila ng gift certificate.
Ganito ang gagawin natin, napansin natin kung sino yung may pinakamagaling sumayaw. So it's up to you guys kung sino ang winner natin. Since lahat naman tayo, lahat ng mga kasama natin dito, mga tropa natin.
Yes.
So, kung sino na lang may pinakabongga talaga sa pagsayaw. Ayan, okay? So, sino-sino ang mga contestant natin kanina na unang sumayaw?
Yes, we have of course si Alan and partner. We have Nico and partner. And of course, syempre, sa kanila dalawa muna.
Okay, Alan and Mark!
Palakpakan!
Ay!
Ang dami natin. Okay, nabilang ko sila isa't kalahati. Okay, this time, Nico and Mark! Nico and Faye! Okay, medyo malakas, 2 at kalahati. Thank you. How about Jessa and Sasha? Okay, narinig ko, malakas sa palakpakan, umabot kayo ng 7. 7, pero ang guess natin 5 lang. Okay, how about Jambi, Ann, and Kel? Malaki si Jambi, pero isa lang ang pumalakpak. Thank you. How about Rico and Ate Denden?
Sorry, girl.
I'm sorry.
Wala kang kamag-anak.
Asaya pa niya, sabi niya. Wala palakpak.
Walang friend. Anyway, ayan, bago lahat, I'd like to say thank you so much for si Ate Denden. Thank you so much to Anne, once again, Bon Voyage, together with Michael, Bon Voyage. At syempre, kay Kev, kay Mark. Yan, tapos kay Ate Faye. At ang ating winner, walang iba, of course, Iko-san!
Yeah, Hotoni! Sa Balasin eh, Omoy!
Yeah! At dahil si Iko-san, you're the winner. We have here a gift certificate from Jack's Comedy Bar. You can use this when you come back. Okay, you are entitled of this gift certificate. So, hope you enjoy that. Thank you so much. So, arigato. Salamat!
Thank you.
Salamat, Kev. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Girl, thank you.
Yes, and this time, let's get back, of course, on our regular hosting on stage.